Hi, I'm Joseph. I'm a 4-H Healthy Living Ambassador from Cochise County, Arizona. Today we're going to be making a Fiesta rice bowl, super quick and easy, using My Plate. USDA gives us My Plate to eat healthy. Okay, so what you'll need is black beans, no salt added, that's what we had. Or if you want to use all uncooked beans, you just have to set the time and add water to it. Okay, so we're going to be using an Instant Pot. What you can do is you can do it on a stove as well. And those were the protein. And next we have tomato sauce, or you can use diced tomatoes. It just depends on you. Just dump that in. That's our vegetable. Next we have corn. It's also a vegetable. Just dump that in. And make sure you drain all this before. And then we have a cup of rice. Make sure to get water with it. 1 cup of water for 1 cup of rice. And then next we have just some seasoning, taco seasoning. And then after this is all done, we're gonna put cheese on top for our dairy. And this is all worth $3, so pretty cheap and easy. And then we're gonna put it in on the rice mode, and it's super quick and easy. Now we challenge you to either make the same recipe or make a different recipe with the 5 ingredients. If you like this, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and share with us in the comments what